Now, this is a recipe that you wanted me to make. Once again, you wanted me to make brown stew chicken, right? Jamaican brown stew chicken, but you wanted it smothered in all that goodness. And I am here to deliver. Not what me can do enough. Yes, goody, I saw the thing set in my Jamaican kitchen. Now, if you are watching me cooking this brown stew chicken smothered style in my kitchen for the very first time, make sure to subscribe and goodie. If you have not already subscribed, be sure to do so. Turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl uploads a brand new video. You ready to get started? Well, come on, we are waiting for. Let's start the thing now.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one if you get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now, goodie, I have my chicken thighs right there. Use for any kind of the chicken that you like. That's your kitchen, that's your choice. Go ahead and use that. I'm using thighs, 6 of those. Make sure you wash the chicken nice and clean. We don't need dirty chicken in the kitchen, right? Now, that was washed with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. Make it marinate up in the liquid for 30 minutes. Yeah, my chicken ready. Now, after I do that, I get my spices ready. Now I have chicken season, all-purpose season, paprika, salt and black pepper, onion powder. That's what I got there. Now, we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. Make life really easy, fast, easy, and simple, right? We just go ahead and mix and combine up this real good, because we don't need tasteless chicken in the kitchen. A chicken with flavor we are talking about. Now, goodie, we want to go ahead and get that goodness all up on that chicken. Now you want to make sure that you do both sides of the chicken because you want the chicken to have mad flavor. We don't talk about flavor on one side, we talk about flavor on both sides. So yes, chicken to taste good in my kitchen every time, straight. Now goodie, that pot is on the fire. I got my cooking oil in there. Use whatever kind of cooking oil you want. I'm going to put my chicken in. Inside down, and you're looking for that nice golden brown. Yes, honey, so let's just turn that goodness over. Oh yes, that color right there is the color that I want on my chicken, honey. That right there is looking mighty good. I so want the thing, you know. I so want the thing. You see that? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look. Oh, man, look at that. Perfect. Yes, so yeah, so the thing said. Perfect, right? So we want to go ahead and you're going to remove the chicken from the pot, and with that good yumptiousness that it's fried in, you want to go ahead and get some of that oil out. Now goodie, back on the fire with the same frying pot with my good up flavors. Them I'm have a ton of it at the bottom of the thing there. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 stick of butter to that and make it melt. Then I'm going to add some garlic, fresh garlic. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of that to it because I want the thing to taste so good. That thing is smelling oh so yumptious already. Yes. I so like this, you know, brown stew chicken, southern smothered up in my kitchen. The best right now. Now, to the mix, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, right? That's all. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And just combine this all together and allow that flour to get real happy up in that pot there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken broth to the mix. And I'm adding about 2 to 3 cups of chicken broth. Well, honey, to get that smothered chicken going, really good in my good up kitchen, we gonna add some scallion and thyme, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions. Yes, honey, we gonna throw that scotch bonnet pepper in there because yes, even though I eat pepper and they're gonna eat the food to this, I have to dash it in there. But yes, that is my vegetable platter right there. Now, Goody, as soon as the things start to bubble up and thicken up like that, you want to go ahead and add all the veggies into that goodness. Yes, you sure do. You want to go ahead, put back some smile upon it face, right? So you have 3 seasons of the thing. So you're going to add some onion powder and garlic powder back to the mix. A little bit of black pepper back in the mix. And some salt to eat back the flavor, right? And use back whatever kind of season where you want to use. Now I use my all-purpose season back in mine. Now we want to combine all that goodness and make them all sing a lullaby or a love song, right? So I saw the thing set to the pot, you know, so that's it. Just like that, goodie. To that, I'm gonna add a little bit of browning because I want to give it some color because this is brown stew style, right? I'm gonna put a link below so you can make your own browning if you so choose. But that right there, so sit on real good. Okay, goody. Now we go ahead and pop them goodness back up in that goodness right there, so because we want this thing to sing sweet songs right now the pot, you know, with all that good smothered juices. This thing is so freaking good, it's not even funny. Want to add them good scallions on top of that. Lord, make it fancy and pretty and tasty. Oh. Yes, honey, get that good smothered juice all up on that thing there. Turn the thing down on medium heat, goody. Turn it down on medium heat and make the thing simmer down nice and slow for about 30 minutes. Trust me, after 30 minutes, the thing will go proper. See that, goody? Watch out. Look at the better than that, you know. So good. So you're gonna love the recipe, yeah. You're gonna love it. Make sure you ain't miss no spot, y'all. No miss no spots. There you have it. I have all done get it. The kitchen smell good. The thing turn up loud. And look there. Watch there. Look there. Look at the better than that, you know. Goody, watch out. Boy, brown stew chicken, smothered style. In my kitchen. Fast, easy, and what? Simple. Now, goody, make sure you share the recipes with your friends and your family, you know. The neighbor, the man up the street, the man down the road, the girl around the corner. Make sure you share to the whole of them, right? Me no sell fish. Subscribe to my channel, because you don't know all the things set, right? And don't forget to turn on your post notification setting now. Tell me what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.